Well, I've about got all the parts for this. So I got the new spindle, new belt, new spring, but I gotta wait for blades. I mean, I could do this work and get the top of the deck finished and then just put the blades on, but I'm gonna get the blades on Tuesday, so I just as well wait until everything's here. That way I can make a video of it and I don't have to. Here's the thing, when you make a video, I like to keep all the footage together, but when you do it over a couple days, then you got to store it and you risk losing it. I mean, I've deleted things I shouldn't have deleted. You know, you get up at 4:30 in the morning and you're kind of groggy and you just go through the motions, and before you know it, you've deleted things that you were supposed to keep. So if I don't have to separate the footage over a couple days, I tend to try to keep it all together. I mean, just the other day, a few days ago, a couple weeks ago, had a Cub Cadet here, and it needed a new starter. And I filmed the diagnostic of the starter, and then I had ordered the starter, so I had to wait a few days to get the starter. Well, sure enough, I deleted it. So I thought, no big deal, I'll just do over the diagnostic. So when I started to do the diagnostic, the starter, the old starter, worked again. And the reason it worked was because, and I know some trolls are going to say, oh, you shouldn't have done it, you should have just, is when the bushings were bad. And sometimes when you beat on the side of the starter, it'll re-engage. Well, I threw it in the dumpster, in the barrel, when I took it off originally, and then of course that knocked it where it would run. But you'd have to replace it anyways. As a matter of fact, there was ding marks all up the side of it, so they had been beating it with a hammer for a while. So, boy, I tell you, Girly has been really active today. Just overly active. That's a good sign. She may be finally getting better. And so of course I couldn't make the video, which kind of sad, because that would have been a good video going through that electronic diagnostic. So the Cub Cadet I had here yesterday and the day before, in the last 2 weeks, the one with the Kevlar belt, the linkage was all wore out. You know, it's 16-year-old lawnmower. The original belt was so bad that it was slipping, and you go up a hill, you start to go backwards. So he came and picked it up today, and I was really worried that he was going to be kind of frowned on that. I didn't charge him for replacing that drive belt. I charged him for the deck belt and all the things, but when that failed, I just went ahead and changed that for free. And I don't know if it's really free. I mean, I gave him the belts for free, but the you know, changing the deck belt was going to take 10 minutes. So while you're there and you're going to charge him an hour, whether you work 10 minutes or an hour, you just will go ahead and change the drive belt. So I did. But I'm telling you, that was quite the process. There was more wrong with it than just that. So I had to make adjustments and figure out a starting procedure. I mean, the belts just got to warm up. And this morning it was 31 degrees. I came out here at 4 o'clock. I started it, and I figured out their proper starting sequence, which is good, because about 10:30 he messaged, said, hey, I'm coming over to pick that up. But he seemed okay with it. You know, he was more worried about making sure I was paid everything, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna charge you for that. You know, it was a safety issue. I couldn't let it leave here with that. And I'd already given you an invoice for all the other stuff when that failed, or an estimate, so I wasn't going to sit there and nitpick you to death. And it just didn't, you know, it didn't hurt me that bad to go ahead and fix that, and keeps the customer happy. So, but that's out of here, and he hasn't called back, so I'm sure he's made it home by now, unloaded his trailer. So that's good. See, she's growling and just really on high alert today. Hey, nope. See, and then Red jumps in. See, there's a car parked across the street, and some reason today they've decided that that's theirs. They don't want anybody over there. Nope. Go lay down. Go lay down. good dogs. They're not very well trained, but they try to figure out what you want. Wish they would stop barking today. I mean, it's been non-stop. And Girly went out on the road. Yesterday it was Red, or the day before yesterday. But today Girly did it. And I thought she was pretty well beyond doing that, because she's just so old, she just doesn't want to move around. But today she's moving around a lot. So I guess she's feeling better. I told you we put her on a little bit of medication. I'm not going to tell you what we did, because you know everybody's got an opinion on what you should do, and that seems to have helped a lot. So her coughing is so much better. You know, she had that collar on, apparently a choke collar, and it crushed her trachea, so it builds up this phlegm, I guess, and she's just constantly coughing. But it's gotten a lot better. It's inflammation, and so we're trying to reduce that inflammation. So, you know, for March, we're doing pretty good with the amount of mowers. Let's see, I mean, we got this one. She said she was going to pick it up today, but it's already 1 o'clock. I doubt she's coming. This one is, you know, that mower and this mower go together. So there's quite a bit of money invested in these two mowers. There's a lot of time. So I don't know. It's March 28th today, and it's pretty incredible how well we're doing. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't have any potential leads at the moment. It's just they just show up one day, and then, you know, you go a few days without hearing a word, and then they show back up another day. So, but that's okay. We're making some money and making YouTube videos. That's what's most important, is getting a backlog of YouTube videos. I told you that in yesterday's video. I really want to have a huge backlog of YouTube videos, just in case something happens. And, you know, if I can have 5 years worth of YouTube videos in the next few years, and something happens to me, I get sick, those videos will continue to release all by themselves. I don't have to edit anything. I don't have to film anything. And so for 5 years, once a week, those videos will release. I'll be making money off of them. So, I mean, right now, I'm almost up to February. What is it? January 18th of next year. So you figure in a few more videos, I'll be caught up and I'll have a full year's worth of videos. So I'm not even sure. I need to check. I don't know how far in the future you can actually schedule out a video. I should check. I keep meaning to. I just always forget. So it's kind of a pretty day. It's starting to warm back up. It got to freezing last night. I started a fire this morning. So last night or yesterday I came out, I split some firewood. And I mean, it's just incredible. We were 90 degrees that one day, and by 10 p.m. we were having to shut the windows because it was getting cold. And yesterday it got down into the 40s, and then this morning it was freezing. So I mean, it's getting back up to temperature, so that's good. I don't want to work today. It's still kind of chilly. I mean, I could work if I had to, but I don't have to because I don't have those blades. And I don't feel a big rush. You know, the thing is, I always feel like I'm procrastinating. But it is the weekend. I don't really want to work the weekends unless I have to. Monday comes around. And like I said, is it really procrastinating if you actually have a plan on what you're going to do? You know, I'm going to do this on Tuesday so the footage doesn't get messed up and lost. It really is aggravating when you lose footage on the lawnmower repair, because you can't really go back and do it over. Just like I told you with that Cub Cadet with the starter. I can't go back and do it over. So this is, you know, you're kind of stuck with this. It's been a busy day on the road. I don't know, there must be something going on. That's way too much traffic for a Saturday. So, well, I think I'm going to jump off here. I don't know, maybe there was a holiday or something, but like I said, I'm going to jump off of here. So if you'll click this up next box, take the video over to my other channel. Really appreciate it if you go check it out. So hope I can inspire you to work through it so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.